Hello guys, it's me Chris again. So if you want to subscribe ng video ko, please subscribe po. And this video will consist of lots of things like a chit time, that about life. Then I do also video about sa real experience, sharing of my real experience and any other tips and learning sign language and English interpretations. Especially if you want to request content about anything, you can just please comment down below. I really appreciate your engagement to my vlog. And I hope you will learn and thank you so much.
For today's ganap, mangaligo ta sa Santa Fe and hope you will enjoy my video.
Ate, atubang na! Atubang na!
Shout out sa mga feel nga jeep nga very accommodating ang owner and barato lang jud kaayo. So if you want to rent a jeep, just chat them or pwede ra pod magpa-refer mo na ako, you can just DM me and I will just contact the owner of the jeep. Thank you. Shout out. So, as I mentioned earlier, sa mga tumi sa Santa Fe, para mga ligo sa dagat, since ara pa man kami baon nga bahaw, gikan sa birthday ni Tia Aling, so, amo ang amon gibaon. So, I hope you will enjoy the entire video or entire vlog. Again, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.
Alright, so, karon for today's video, guys, mga ligo kita sa dagat. Tara! Nagamoy ni atin mga kagin. Alright, so, ay na kami sa Santa Fe and mga naop na kami. Tara, sila guys. Rap and Disney Princess. So, I will back this in. This is our birthday girl. Happy birthday, Day. Thank you. Pero gusto kayo mo tingog. Hina yung tingog. Gusto ka. Hi, guys.
Happy times or happy time. So, bisan pa man sa unsang mga struggles ng life, we really need our family to have time with them. So, yeah, bisag asa pa mo or bisag sa pahidala niyo, basta na may time and it's a time, a quality time, everything will be worth it. So, I thank my family for having this kind of time. This kind of view is really amazing. Like, mapapawaw ka talaga yung sand at saka yung environment. Very napaka-calm. Tapos yung pinakamasaya talaga is yung kasama mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Yung mga cousins mo, like that. And you have spending a good time together. At ako naman yung hindi nagpapatala sa kainan. Pag magkainan na talagang ganyan talaga ako kasi naman kitang-kita nyo naman sa katawan ko. Bongga. And the best part is yung spoiled talaga ang ko. At syempre, dahil bini girls man tayo, hindi talaga pwedeng walang
Sige na, A ka muna, A. A, check, A.
One, two, three.
At syempre, hindi pwedeng walang bunggahan ng pagpasukaso. So, ito na guys.
Lebantayan, Ellen. Come on. Welcome to our land. Our sea.
At hindi naman pwede magpapatalo ang ating bonggacious girl na si Honey Jane Zappa. Yan. At syempre, ang bato ng doon, si Kristen May Amoras. Tada!
Oh. Daan namin na dapat pinas.
Syempre, hindi pwede makawala yung animation na tinirikat na chug.
Tugs.
Iyan na naman ako, yan na. Chung.
Lagyan na ba?
Stop.
Try.
At walang magpapatalo sa orahan.
Na-zumba, na-zoom. Oh, sige, ina. Sige, anong dinahay? Sige na.
Indeed, we can't buy happiness at hindi mo rin makikita yung mahahanap yung basta-basta. May mga taong talagang nandyan at talagang tunay sa'yo. Special thanks to Ate Lisa and Kuya Jay for spending money for us to have this partial reunion for the family. And I really love you all and having you all is very precious. And I would look forward for the next reunion with the whole family. And it's really worth it. Thank you. At dahil dyan, sabay-sabay tayong maging bini. Tayong lahat
Trigo.